think it's just short of 400 metres in total. Lads are just getting all that off now. Lads are on it. We're all here. Digger's out. Fencing's here. Lads are already cutting this down. I'm going to come through with Digger next, and Digger's there. Rip it all out.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Actually Tuesday, not Monday. We all had a long weekend. Very bozo one for myself. Baggage been camping, Cotswold. What have you done, Jamie, this weekend?
Been at gym.
Jamie's just been pumping iron. We're actually working away come early Thursday morning, so we had a long weekend. Recharges batteries, although it's taking it out of me. I've done not but drink for 3 days up at Lake. But anyway, start of another week here. We're just clearing vans and getting loaded up. We've got I think it's 39 metres of 2 metre high V-mesh to do at Newsome Academy over in Huddersfield. A couple of single gates which are up, I think they're there, on file there. So yeah, I think all 3 of them are going to go. They'll probably get that whacked off today, just depends on digging really. I had 2 days in for it, but we might get it done today or an hour finishing tomorrow, see how they get on, and then what we'll do then is fuel out vans up and stuff like that, get all this tackle together and what tools we're taking down to Lincoln, so we're down there for 2.5 weeks then. Hopefully my new car turns up today actually. Supposed to come last Tuesday, but it's supposed to be here today. Still debating whether to go down working away in my new car or take my old one. I'll decide that. So yeah, I've got a couple of jobs to see as well, so I don't know what time I'm planning on bringing this new vehicle. That's my problem. I'm in a bit of a quandary. Normally Justin will take delivery, but he's going to go with him today. We've decided just to make sure they get done, so we're not messing about tomorrow. We can spend half a day getting all this gear together. So yeah, we'll keep you informed as we go along.
So, good morning. We're just at Newsome Academy in Huddersfield. So a little job to go in today, 2 single gates and a bit of 2 metre V-mesh fencing. So this is what we're going to be doing. We're going to be coming off that wall there at an angle just to miss all the electrics, and then we're going to be following this curb edge. Let's have a look. Following that curb edge all the way up to here. Then there's going to be a single gate going in there, opening in, cutting in, and then another gate to the wall. So we'll get this done today and probably a couple of hours tomorrow just for the gates, and then we're going to get everything organised and ready to go away. A nice early start. We'll get it done and we'll keep you updated.
Howdy. So, bit of a mad sort of hour. Lads have just got back and everything. Finished the job today. They've done well actually. My new truck's just been delivered. As you can see, bit of an upgrade from that one. But I've had to accept it, sort of damaged really. I mean, I'll turn this round. I don't know how well it'll pick up, but I don't know if you can see it. Like full of scratches on bonnet. There's quite a few. I don't know if it's hit some at a tree or something. It's hard to see in the sun. There's another one there. It's only the bonnet. There. There's a big one down there. Yeah, a bit disappointing really when you've waited for a new truck for a while and it turns up and it's scratched.
Not good enough!
And then also the back, which I paid extra for, the mountaintop roll back, that's fitted a bit shoddy as well, if I'm honest. So yeah, a bit disappointed with that.
Not good enough!
But because we're working away, and then the job that we're going to do when we're working away, inform me fencing's not even going to turn up all afternoon. What good's that to us? We're going down at 5 o'clock in the morning to get there, to get stuck in and get done. So afternoon's no good, it's just a wasted day. It's ridiculous, but we'll see what happens with that one. But yeah, so I'll let you know on that one.
So we're just finishing up for the day. There we go. So he's just going to go to the wall now. Going down. Jamie's just skimming and finishing off all the holes, as you can see over there. Got both gates in. It's looking good. So guys, good morning. So we've got Jamie here with us. Mark's just in his office stressing out. We've just had a bit of bad news about the digger for tomorrow, so we're just trying to sort that. Look at Mark's new car, eh? Fancy. I'm liking that. Getting everything organised for tomorrow. We're down in Lincoln. Jamie's just got a new stilly, so just running that through. Better than these old stillies. They have little plastic bits in what just break all the time. All this is nice metal, so hopefully it'll last a bit longer. You have to take this to the repair shop every bloody week. So yeah, we'll get sorted. We're going to go up to Lincoln. We've got 2 days up there. We're back, and then another 2 weeks up there. Got about 400 metres. We've got Mark here now. Just getting a video. He's just cleaned all this. Jamie has oiled it all up. Look at that bad boy. Mark's stressed out of his brain about diggers.
Good morning. Lovely sunny day at last. Just down at Lincoln. It's about to start school. Yeah, we're sort of 2.5 weeks down here, we believe. We're taking all this old iron railing down. It's basically all the way around the school, all the way around the front. My new car when I should drive down in, by the way. We're just getting set up here. We've got a cabin and everything on site for us. But yeah, it's lovely down here in Lincoln. It's all pretty flat. We've a bit to do, like, I don't want to get stuck in. But until this digger comes, these things are really heavy. So we've got to cut all these down, dig them out and whatnot. Same with all these gates are getting extended height. And then we're replacing it all with 2 metre high V-mesh. Yeah, good job this. We've had a good look round and we're pretty confident we can get it done, obviously until we start. It's hard to know, but it's a lot better than when we come down a couple of weeks ago, because it were all really overgrown, especially down the front. Hardest bit will be actually over the other side there. It's just a bit awkward to get to. You can pretty much get van to a lot of it. So yeah, we're all sort of confident in us getting it done in a couple of weeks. So yeah, hopefully we should be okay.
So we're here, Lancaster School in Beechwood, and it's got digger coming now. Driver's just going to take it off. Lads are already unloading out vans. Let's have a look at this bad boy. Hopefully this just rips it all out for us. And a quick video of it so we know what kind of condition it's in as well. Yeah, so that's sound. I think it's just short 400 metres in total. That lads are just getting all that off now. Jamie on phone while Baggy does artwork. Sounds about right. So yeah, we'll get cracked on. Mark's just going to take delivery at digger now, and let's crack on. Lads are on it. We're all here. Digger's out. Fencing's here. Lads are already cutting this down. I'm going to come through with digger next, and digger's there. Rip it all out. We've actually just found in these right there, massive wasp nest right there. So someone's getting called out to take care of that before we go near it. Fencing's just arrived now. He's just taking it all off. And a nice blue. Digger's here just to assist, because if you actually look at these ones aren't too bad. They actually just sit above the floor. But you see this one here, some of them are just buried completely underground. So we'll pick them up with digger. And hopefully that'll get it out of there. Beautiful day for it as well. I'm pretty sure it's going to be like 27 degrees today. Got all this all out from down there. We've just got Mark now. He's about to whack this post. I've cut it so it's sorted. Let me just turn this off right quick. Just turning that off right quick. So basically what we do is we dig down, cut it, and obviously you can't always get right in with steel saw with that bad boy. That's the new one as well. It's the right treat. So what he does now is I've cut it, loosened it all up. He's dug around it, and now he'll give it a good old whack, and it should just pop out. You say that, soon about to find out. Look at that, straight out. And then what happens, even if it needs last little bit of cut, I can just cut it off. Looks like it's just attached a tiny little bit still, so if you really twist it off, I'll just pick it up and get it off. Loves it though, he does. Love it, don't you, Mark? It's sweltering like a pig in heat in there, mate. Well, look, that's it out. So then what we'll do is go again, cut, and he'll knock, knock. We'll have a little walk up here. B guy's been out. Got these two installing now. So we actually had a massive wasp nest here. We're actually an underground one as well. Wasp guy was saying that worst ones when they're agitated. So that's where, oh wow, where this white spray is. Sprayed it all now. This about half an hour ago. We're booming with them. Got these two. They've installed one panel all day. Says you. Go on, breathe out. Breathe out. Go on, you dead? And I seen how you stood over there. It's looking all right. Nice blue. Outside, got line out. Nice straight line. Looks good. And we've had a good day, to be honest. All that ripped out. A couple of scrap runs there, and all in. Looking good. A couple of alterations to make here and there, but it's something or nothing. So tomorrow's plan is we've got down to that gate today. What we've absolutely blasted it in this heat as well. It's a lovely day for it. So the plan is tomorrow is to get this scratch up here done. Lie down. Looks good. It's a nice colour, to be honest. So tomorrow we're going to take this scratch out here, all the way down to the gate. Let's have a look how far that is. It's one. We're all going for a drink Friday night, so that should be a lively one. So we want to get there tomorrow, that way down, and it'll look good. And everybody's knackered now. It's heat and it's about 3:30. Usually we finish at halfdayfencing.com over here at Airedale. We're that good. But yeah, we'll get off and we'll see you later.
It's a bit of an update, we're still at it, down in Lincoln. First day, we haven't done bad. You can see the guys are down there. Started up here this morning. Took all this old fencing down. And we haven't had a bad day, we've done about 4 or 5 more to go in down there. And then probably, I think it might have been 60, 65 metres, which ain't bad. So we've done a takedown, travel down here. Yeah, we've had a good day really. And then tomorrow, I think we're going to do down that side there, there's like a gate, get that run done, and then, yeah, not bad. Probably done 100 and odd metres tomorrow in, 2 days. We're travelling, not bad. So yeah, well on schedule. We're down here for 2 weeks, so, might finish a bit early, I hope we do. So we've got a couple more jobs to fit in. So yeah, we'll keep you informed tomorrow.
Good morning. So we're on Friday. We've already been cracking on today. As you can tell from yesterday's video, all this we're up. It's all down now. Just doing last post now. Get it all onto the van. Lads will load up panels and posts, and we're installing this. Basically, left us a nice little easy bit today. 13 panels in, I believe, and we're out of here. And then we'll be back Monday to finish off the job. And then Monday we're going down with the gate there. And then we're going to tackle that backside. I believe we're going to leave the roadside till the end. But yeah, let's have a little look at what we put up yesterday. It looks nice, to be honest. Better than that old fence that they have. Makes a big difference. And gives them a bit more security as well. It's a bit higher. It's looking good. Looking good. So yeah, we'll crack on and we'll get out of here.